In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add PDF to Godaddy website. To get started, log into your Godaddy account and go to your My Products page. This is where you can access the tools and services connected to your account. Once you are there, scroll down until you find the Websites plus Marketing section. Next to the website you want to update, click Manage. This will take you to the main control area for that site. From there, click Edit Website to open the visual editor. This is the space where you can make changes to your site content and layout. Once the editor loads, go to the part of the page where you want visitors to access your PDF. You can add the link to an existing text block or a button depending on how you want it to appear on the page. Click directly on the text or button that you want to use. After selecting it, look over to the right-hand panel. You should see an option for link. Turn that option on so the selected text or button can direct people somewhere when they click it. Now choose the link type. Depending on what appears in your version of the editor, you may see page or URL, or you may see a link to option. If you see Link to, choose File. This tells Godaddy that instead of linking to another page, you want to connect the item to a document. Next, click Upload and select the PDF file from your computer. Make sure you choose the correct file before continuing, especially if you have multiple versions saved. After the upload finishes, click Insert or Save depending on the option shown on your screen. This confirms the file link and attaches it to the text or button you selected earlier. The final step is to publish the change so it becomes visible on your live website. Look to the top right corner of the editor and click Publish. Once publishing is complete, your visitors will be able to click that text or button and open the PDF. If you want to be extra careful, visit your live site after publishing and test the link yourself. That way you can confirm the PDF opens properly and make sure everything works as expected. That covers everything you need to know.